In this video, I will show you how to add payment methods icon on your Shopify footer. First, on your dashboard, go to Online Store on the left panel. Then, click on Customize next to your store. Once inside the editor, go to Footer. Then on the right panel, under Utilities, you'll see Payment Methods icon option. Just toggle it on and your payment methods icon will show. If you don't have that option, you can do the second method. Go back to your dashboard. On New tab, go to ChatGPT. Here you can copy this prompt that I have. You just need to change the payment methods on the prompt based on what you want. Then just submit it. Once you have the code, just copy it and go back to Shopify. Now click on the three dots beside your store and edit code. Then search for footer and go to footer liquid. Now scroll down until you're in this section in the class footer content. Add in a space after divider, then paste in your code. After that, click on Save on the top right corner. Now if you go back to your store, go ahead to footer and you'll see your payment methods icon. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.